Nowadays, many people look for easy methods to gain extra cash. Thankfully, there are many ways to make money online, boost your monthly income, or even begin a new career. In this guide, we'll focus on short and long-term money-making ideas to make extra cash by relying on digital resources. Find what suits you best based on your availability and needs. Let's get started. Do not forget to subscribe in the channel. 1. Create a newsletter. Revenue potential. You can start with $10 a month per subscription and reach up to $2,000 through sponsorships as your audience grows. Global email users are expected to reach 4.6 billion by 2025. Consumers spend lots of time in their mailboxes daily for work or personal purposes, from communicating with colleagues to searching for product sales or new content. This channel is increasingly gaining ground in consumers' trust. If you enjoy content writing and have a certain expertise or passion for a field, you can start your own newsletter and profit from it by building a premium subscription with exclusive content. Exploding topics and The Motley Fool are great examples to get inspired. You can start small by sharing a landing page on your social platforms to gradually build an audience. Once you gain more traction, you can invest in a website and motivate your greatest fans to move to premium. Explain all the benefits they'll reap if they do so and try to reach up to their expectations. Here's how Stacked Marketer approached it. Let's look at a newsletter by the same creator as a reference. Before monetizing your newsletter, check the competitors' pricing in your niche to stay ahead of the curve. As your email list and audience grows, you can also partner with sponsors and earn more money by sharing their content or brand assets in your newsletter. To start creating newsletters and managing your audience, you need a scalable email marketing solution with user-friendly features and pricing that only increases when your audience and revenue grow. 2. Start an e-commerce business. Revenue potential. You can reach up to $63,000 in monthly revenue in 3 months and up to $127,000 in year 1. If you're looking for a large payout that can gradually lead to a full-time occupation, you can start an online store. Setting up a small business online has never been easier as long as you find the right product services to build a profitable business. Find product services you're passionate about and conduct market research to determine their potential. Then sit down to map the logistics. You don't have to start big, just shape your brand and take it one step at a time. Moreover, you can also get into the world of dropshipping, a business model that has gained many fans over the years. In short, you act as a mediator between the customer and a third-party supplier. You don't need anything in stock as they fulfill the orders on your behalf. As you can see, both methods cannot bring you money fast, but with persistence and effort. The e-commerce platforms to build online stores. What are the most popular e-commerce websites to start your online store from scratch? Shopify, one of the most popular website builders with an easy-to-use setup and plenty of help during onboarding. The platform offers many premium features and add-ons, and pricing starts at $29 a month. BigCommerce. It includes an intuitive website builder with various customization capabilities. This platform supports multi-channel selling, SEO tools, and many payment options. Pricing starts at $29.95 a month. Wix, a user-friendly website for beginners and many designer-made templates to build a beautiful website. However, its inventory management is not the best in the market. Pricing starts at approx. $20 a month for basic features. WooCommerce, it's a free WordPress plugin and one of the most popular websites for e-commerce stores. Some of its pros are its CEO capabilities and customer support. However, it's not one of the most scalable solutions. 3. Join an affiliate marketing program. Revenue potential. Novices can earn up to $1,000. Mid-level affiliates can reach $10,000, while advanced affiliates can make up to $100,000. Becoming an affiliate marketer should be ideal for professionals interested in making a passive income. Affiliate marketing takes place when an affiliate or publisher earns a commission for a product or service they promoted successfully to their audiences. Affiliates can choose between physical and digital products as long as they feel that they can convince their audience to buy them. Even though promoting physical products can convert faster than digital, the commission is usually lower. Affiliates usually get a unique website link that tracks conversions. They either place it inside a blog post or promote it via social media like TikTok, Instagram. Others prefer to run pay-per-click campaigns if they have some money to invest beforehand to reach consumers who are very likely to convert. Let's see some successful affiliate marketing programs you'd better watch out for. Best affiliate marketing programs for digital products. Moosend. If email marketing is your thing, you can't miss out on our fantastic affiliate program. Earn up to 40 lifetime recurring commission for every paying customer and an extra commission if they upgrade. Shopify. This website builder offers a generous $200 commission as long as the referred customer remains an active subscriber for 2 months. SEMrush. This SEO marketing tool gives $200 for every subscription sale and $10 for every free trial sign-up. Coursera. Join Coursera's affiliate program to get a 10 to 45 commission. This platform offers everything you need to become a successful affiliate. CapsuleLink. Join the CapsuleLink affiliate program and earn a 25 recurring commission for up to 12 months. With CapsuleLink Link Shortener, you can make and share short links across various social networks and other marketing channels. 4. Become an influencer. Revenue potential. Micro-influencers, 10,000 to 50,000 followers, can make from $40,000 to $100,000 per year. But it depends on many factors. If you love social media and creating content regularly, you can consider leveling up your social profiles. For example, on Instagram or TikTok. If you specialize in a niche market, e.g., education or traveling, you can create more specific content and target certain people by addressing their pain points. As your following grows, you can start experimenting with different content to see what drives more engagement, and sponsorships will start coming your way. Even though this is one of the most creative ways to make money online and turn it into a real business, you'll need time to nurture results. Plus, competition is high in certain markets, so you better do your research first. Here, you've listed some tools that will help nail your content creation. Design, Canva, Jiffy. Analytics, Hootsuite, Google Analytics. Video, Ripple, Filmorine. As long as you find the appropriate tools, you must update your content consistently to fulfill your subscribers' expectations. Moreover, it's important to answer your followers' comments and interact with your audience to create community vibes. 5. Start a blog. Revenue potential. People who monetize their blog can earn $20,000 annually. If you love expressing yourself through writing, you can become a blogger. To build a successful blog, targeting a specific niche market and audience is much more efficient. If you publish great content consistently and apply CEO principles, you can turn your blog website into a real moneymaker. For instance, you can add affiliate links to blog posts that drive high traffic or sell advertising space to other businesses. To set up an online business like this, you should dedicate time and effort. But if you have a creative spirit, this safe writing space may give you the freedom you need. Here are some content management systems to start a blog from scratch. Paid and WordPress. The free plan starts with limited features and no custom options. The most popular plan for freelancing is the premium with $13.95. Joomla. You can start for free, but you'll soon need to update to access top features. The annual cost for the personal package is $99. Ghost. The pricing varies based on the audience you have. For example, for up to 500 members, the price is $11 a month.